Everyone, my topic today is why do I read book? Reading every day is a simple but powerful habit. It helps us learn new words and understand the world better. When we read after our meet because stronger and more active. Reading also improve our speaking and writing skill. You can read books, short stories, or easy articles. Just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Reading help us feel refreshed and more confident in English. Step by step, it builds our knowledge and leads us to success. เรียបលាអ្នកនរគ្នាបាទចង់បានវីដេអូថ្មីជួយចុច like and subscribe ខ្ញុំអ្នកមួយផងណាបាយបាយ